आमकां at around 1:30 आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन येयली की म्हाजो ड्युटी ऑफिसर PSF प्रथमेश म्हणाले ऑफिसर एट सो त्या दिसा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर इन्फॉर्मेशन येयली की assault has been taken place at Benaulim. So immediately my staff proceeded at the spot. We have seen that it is true that assault has been taken place. Then the victim was shifted to the GM's hospital, and accordingly my PSI has taken the complaint of Mr. Zion Alvarez is from Nome against two persons, namely Ransley and Sharman Gracious. Ransley is from Honda and Sharman is from Naveli. Immediately we have on that particular day at the same night we have apprehended and the accused person Mr. Ransley and placed him under arrest. And the very next day the second accused person Gracious is also apprehended, and both the person has been arrested in that particular case, and sections attempt to murder has been applied for that particular case. And accordingly आम्ही समतोच ताका रांसलेचो रिमांड घेतलो, 5 दीस रिमांड केला. ही इज इन द कस्टडी.
पयलीं कितें क्रिमिनल बॅकग्रावंड बीन कितें आसा
So
तेंचो?
that we are now that investigation is already going on, and तेजो क्रिमिनल बॅकग्रावंड्स तेजो एंटीसिडेंट्स त्या दोनी आरोपीचे आमी ते व्हेरीफाय करतात. एंड तेंचे भितर त्या असॉल्टांचे वेपन यूज केल्ले आसा, दॅट इज ऑल्सो वी आर रिकवरिंग, एंड the case will be investigated on the merit.